Right, so this is everything that I'm taking on my halfway around the world motorbike trip. So we've got the tech stuff here, the clothes, the motorbike gear, and some camping stuff. Now none of this stuff is sponsored. I'm going to take you around and show you what I'm bringing and why. So this pouch here is where I keep all of my documents. Now it's really important to keep hold of things like your international permits, passports, and loads of other documents. So I'd recommend one of these. Alright, so this is the helmet that I'm going to be taking with me. I've used it for about 6 months now. Excellent bit of kit. It's got the flip up chin, which is incredibly useful for border crossings and just stopping at fuel stations, stuff like that. And a sun visor thingy, or a dust, yeah. Very good bit of kit. So these are the boots I've chosen, the City Adventure 2. Now if you're doing like adventure riding, you really want something where you got a bit of ankle protection, so you can't just snap the ankle if you drop your bike on it or something like that. So yeah, something with ankle protection is a must. So this here is all the tech stuff I'm bringing. The drone, the GoPro, a laptop, some mounts with the GoPro and a case for all of it. This is my first aid bag that's doubling up as my wash bag also. It's got a tourniquet, very important. Oxygen meter for high altitude, sun cream, just general kind of toothpaste, toothbrush, stuff like that, and then a couple bandages and medication in there. This is what I'm going to be keeping all of my clothes in, and this thing is basically indestructible. I've already used it for almost a year now travelling, and it's never even been damaged once.